Okay, this is Atwell's Baler working. Baler's in 3 pieces, so you can take it apart, put it in an elevator, take it up a multi-story building. There's a hydraulic shear there, got an electric over hydraulic system. Right now it's running off the power from the house. You can run them off the generator, so it's totally portable. The guys are loading the baler now. They'll load it, close the lid, compress it. This is copper. You can use it for steel studs, ceiling grid, anything like that in a building. This is about a 17,000 square foot copper roof that we took off. Most of it being reused, sold to people to put on their roofs. This is the scraps and stuff that we're doing. We're baling it and we take it to a local recycle place. These bales probably average about 100 pounds a piece with this copper. We'll see one come out the end. So they're loading it right now. Corey's using the shear right now to cut a piece that's a little too long. Hydraulic shear there that's operated with foot control. So you can hold the piece up there and put your foot in the control. Shear it. Closing the lid. Checking to make sure there's nothing stuck in there. Close the lid. Lever you just pulled up is the lid lock. He's now running the hydraulic cylinder in, compressing it. Larry's moving it. We've baled about 3 bales here. So how much that bale weigh, guys? Approximately.
100 pounds.
100 pounds?
That one